In this video, we'll cover 5 disinfecting mistakes you may be making in your home right now and how to avoid them. Hi guys, I'm Dave, and I'm here with my co-host Val.
Hello everyone. We've got some great tips on deck for you coming right up.
We sure do, and if you love free, fun cleaning videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now and click the little bell icon. That way you will never miss one of our new videos.
So Dave, tell us, what is disinfecting?
Val, I am glad you asked. Disinfecting is eliminating almost all the germs and viruses on a surface. Now, we typically use chemical products like concentrates or sprays or even wipes to do this. And it's important because those touch points around our home are what transfers germs and viruses between our family members and can cause our family members to get sick.
And now our top 5 disinfectant mistakes. Number 5, cleaning but not disinfecting.
This is really important, guys. Not all cleaners are disinfectants. If you want to disinfect in your home, be sure you're using an EPA-registered disinfectant. They all have EPA registration numbers right on the label. Now, these products have been tested to prove that they kill the germs and bacteria they say they do when used as instructed on the label, and that they are safe when used as the label instructs. If you're using some home mix or some weird product off the internet like jewelry or necklaces or badges or something that claims it's a disinfectant, you're putting your family at risk. Trust the EPA registered stuff because you know it works the way it says it does.
Number 4, focusing on the wrong areas to disinfect.
Now, this seems strange, but disinfecting when done properly takes a lot of time and energy. And if you're spending a lot of time all over your home trying to disinfect everything in the house, you're going to miss something. So concentrate on those high touch points, the doorknobs, the light switches, the TV remote, the faucets, the things your family touches all the time. Make sure those are properly disinfected. And if you use a little bit of sanitizing or cleaning in other places, say like the bathtubs or the sinks, it's not going to put you at risk. As long as you're spending your energy to properly disinfect those high touch points, you're getting the most out of your time.
And number 3, mixing different disinfectant chemicals together.
Now, this is a pet peeve of mine as a chemist. Mixing disinfectant chemicals can sometimes result in very dangerous situations. And even if you're not creating something that puts your family at risk, the active ingredients in different disinfectants can cancel each other out and not have any kill at all on the germs and the viruses you're trying to eliminate. So never mix any disinfectant chemical, or for that matter, never mix any cleaning product at all.
And next up, not measuring a concentrated disinfectant correctly.
If you're mixing your own disinfectants from a concentrated product and not actually measuring it, that product may not be as effective as you think it is. You might not be getting enough active ingredient in there to kill all the bacteria and viruses you think you are. And if you're using too much, well, you're going to create a sticky, nasty residue, or in the worst case scenarios, you could actually damage the surfaces you're trying to clean.
And next up, wiping away a disinfectant too quickly.
This is really important, folks. These disinfectants have to contact those germs for a certain amount of time in order to take them out. Every product that you use that's a disinfectant has listed dwell times or contact times on the label. If your surface is not staying wet as long as it tells you to leave it wet on the label, then again, you're not getting the disinfecting properties that you think you are. That is the most frequent mistake we see when actually using disinfectants in the home.
So there you have it, the top 5 disinfecting mistakes.
And if you have any other questions, be sure to drop them in the comments. And until we see you again,
make life fresh.